Introducing Redmi Note 11 6GB RAM and 64GB storage in Horizon Blue. It comes in a size of 16 into 0.8 into 7.4 centimeters and weighs 179 grams. It is also available in variations of 4GB RAM with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. The Redmi 11 with 6GB RAM comes with 64GB UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable to 512GB with a dedicated SD card. It features dual nano SIM card slots. The 6.43 inches AMOLED display comes with a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. It features 50 megapixel quad rear camera with 8 megapixel ultra-wide and 2 megapixel macro and portrait lens and a 13 megapixel front camera, and is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 Octa-core 6nm processor and MIUI 13. Easily charge the 5000 mAh large lithium polymer battery with 33-watt in-box Pro fast charger and Type-C connectivity. The box includes the Redmi Note 11, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case and pre-applied screen protector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.